We have all heard that playing music to plants helps them grow faster. So, can music promote plant growth? Or is it just another urban legend? Can plants really hear? Do they really like music? In the meantime, have you ever wondered if the theory that playing music to plants helps them grow is true? How do they hear? Do they prefer Vivaldi or Harry Styles? One of the earliest studies of the of music on plants was conducted in 1962 by Dr. T.C. Sun, head of botany at Anamala University. He exposed balsam plants to classical music and found that their growth rate increased by 20% compared to a control group, along with a 72% increase in biomass. He then exposed crops to reggae music over loudspeakers and found they yielded 25% to 60% more than the national average. For this project, I also conducted an experiment for half a month. I bought 3 kinds of the same plants and tested them with violin, piano, and drum sound respectively. Finally, the plants that listened to violin sound had better growth. Meanwhile, researchers at Anamala University have also conducted experiments using flutes, violins, organs, and reeds, and even exposed plants to the vibrations of traditional Indian dance to see positive results. They came to the conclusion, as I did, that the violin was the most efficient instrument. Eugene Canby, a Canadian engineer, came up with the same result. He allowed the file to listen to Bach's violin sonata and harvested 66% of the crop. To sum up, I think violin music is the most suitable music for the growth plants. The best scientific theory about how music helps plant growth is how the vibrations of sound waves affect plants. Plants transport nutrients, proteins, and organelles in their cytoplasm through a process called cytoplasmic flow. Certain types of music and vibrations of sound may help stimulate this process. In nature, plants may grow in areas where birds sing out their strong wings. This process is like a domino, and the first one to fall is the cell wall. The acoustic shock first affects the cell wall, causing the microfilaments of the cytoskeleton to rearrange. In this way, the cell membrane picks up the sound waves. The cell membrane sends this signal into the cell, and receptors on the membrane receive the acoustic signal, opening a specific cochlear transport channel. Cochlear ions fluid into the cell. This is a crucial step because cells convert the vibration signals of sound into the ionic signals that cells can understand and transmit. Calcium ions stimulate the cell in a series of reactions. The end result is to activate other proteins that carry the message further and even alter the expression of the gene. For this topic, there are also many people who put forward opposing opinions. Like many botanists have criticized experiments that prove this fact as pseudoscience or scientifically flawed and unreproducible. It seems to me that music is food for the soul, but is it food for plants? We still need to wait for a definite answer. But whether or not playing music really helps plants grow, at least it doesn't hurt, as long as you don't place the pen next to the speaker. Turn to the full volume. That's a lot you can do besides music taste to help houseplants grow tall and strong. Each plant has its own needs for light, watering, pruning, and fertilization.